We're here with Adrian from Ceratizit Group at the ETG Discover Turnkey Excellent. Is that, I've got it right, have I?
I believe so, yeah, I think that's what it's called.
So, I mean, obviously ETG, well known for their machine tools and obviously turnkey solutions. So why are you guys here?
We're here supporting the open house. We're one of the technical partners for ETG, and we've tooled up some of their machines as demos, and as I say, we're here to support them.
Okay. Now, when I'm thinking Ceratizit Group, I'm thinking, you know, big brochure, tooling. If I order it today, when will it be with me?
Tomorrow morning, before noon.
Okay, so I'm thinking basically off-the-shelf tooling, but that's not one of the reasons. You can also do other applications as well?
Yeah, absolutely. A big part of our offering is the next day delivery, the availability of 50,000 plus part numbers.
50,000?
50,000 plus, yeah. But that's not the only capability of our company. We have 19 area guys that look after customers. We also have 14 apps engineers and 3 project engineers. They're much more involved with the type of things that ETG do, i.e. turnkey solutions.
Right, so just to clarify, subcontractor doing my day-to-day work, get that tooling from a brochure. I'm not sure what it is. Find out one of 19 sales representatives?
Yeah, 19 area guys. 19 area guys out there supporting our customers. We have approximately 2,000 customers buying every month, and that's what the area guys are supporting.
Okay, and then if it's a bit more of a complex project, on the phone to you guys as well?
Absolutely. We as I said, we have 14 apps engineers, 3 project engineers. Their job is when we have a process that's required by a customer rather than just an individual tooling application, they're there to support those customers. They can afford to spend the time with the customers working on a project, developing it, ensuring that it absolutely sings so that when it's completed, the customer has the best solution.
And just one final thing, it's not just tooling, is that correct?
Oh, predominantly tooling, yes, but we kind of describe it as pull stud to cutting edge. So you've got the cutting tools, you've obviously got all the tool holding solutions, but also work holding solutions, vices, fixturing, tombstones, and so on.
There you go, a whole solution from Adrian, Ceratizit Group.